I'm going to show you why you need an infrared camera. So I'm using right now the Tempmaster P3 infrared camera with the iPhone. And we have here a visible mode with the infrared. I'm kind of blocking the infrared. And I just want to show you, I have two pieces of cardboard. Cardboard 1, cardboard 2, cardboard 1. They look identical, right? Can you see the difference? I actually got them from the same box. Same thing. Okay. Now, one of these is wet on the back. Which one is wet? Is that one wet or is that one wet? Well, let's check and see. So I'm going to just make this a little bit smaller. Look at that. Here is the first one. Look at that. Look at the screen. You don't see anything, but it's wet. Nothing. Okay, let me turn this. I can turn this one around. You can see it's dry. Dry. So it's not wet on the front at all. I did spill one little bit of drop, but you can't even see that. But if I turn this around, it's wet. It's wet on the back. So what I did was I squirted water. It didn't get through the front, but it is indeed wet. So you can see that this is wet without seeing that it's wet. And that's what's really kind of cool about the infrared camera. So how does that work? Well, I mean, I think it should be understood when you get something wet, that water evaporates. When the water evaporates, it decreases the temperature. And this is why humans sweat. So this wet water is colder even just by a little bit. And that cools off the front of the panel too, the front of the cardboard. So the front of the cardboard, even though you can't see that it's wet, it is colder. So now imagine this is drywall and you had a leak behind there. You would know where you had the leak because you could see it, right? You could see it with the infrared camera. You couldn't see it with the visible eye. So, I mean, I think that's one of my favorite uses for an infrared camera is finding leaks. You can walk around your house and you can find leaks. You don't want to find leaks, but you can find them. So this is the ThermalMaster P3. I'll put a link down below. If you want to buy it, you can get a 10% off discount if you use the code RET10. I'll put that down below. But that's that. Talk to you later. Bye.